All right, so I never seen anything to the hood of this one, but I was just so happened to be nosy, and I was peeking around, and he sent me some pictures on this one, but I kind of forgot what it was. Yeah, I just kind of forgot, man. I never seen anything. This damn thing right here, bro. I don't know what motor. Oh, it's a 6.0. It's a 6.0. It got long tube headers on it. It got the oh my god, man! It got the Chevy valve covers that hides the coil packs. The damn thing got vintage air on it, dude. And then it has vintage air running the Terminator X on it, fast intake, Holley throttle body, and then it has the Holley mid-mount accessory kit. Oh my god, man, this right here is nasty. This is nasty right here, dude. This is a clean ass and it's a clean ass install, man. This is super. This is dope right here, man. Is that QA1? It has a QA1 upper control arms. Yeah, this right here, man. This is what I like to see. That all black is sexy. The QA1 all the way through. Shit, this one Darnell's, right? Shit. The channel is turning back into a G-Body channel. He said it's all the way through, but the car's sitting kind of low. And then it got the front mini tub. I mean the front tub. It got the front tubs. He got tubs on the rear. Yep. Sheesh. So let me see y'all. So y'all see. Oh yeah, it's tucking. Oh yep. It got the frame notch back there. Oh yeah, look right there. QA1 coilovers. Girl, he got some money. He got some money. Yeah, this thing right here. That's a Dakota. But I'm sure you're going to switch it out to the Autometer. I ain't going to lie, man. If y'all got a G-Body, this is not a sponsored video, obviously. But Autometer, holla at your boy. If y'all got a G-Body, the Dakotas was fire back in the day. But Autometer is killing it right now with these digital dashes, man. I would get a G-Body just to install the digital dash. Patrick with the 88 Monte Carlo is going to be coming back. And I'm going to be installing the Autometer into his and taking his Dakota out. So that Dakota would be for sale for a discounted price for sure. Nothing wrong with it. He just wanted to go with the Autometer setup. It's touchscreen. It has multiple settings on it. But this, yeah, this is fire. So, hey, what year is this, Mel? It got the single headlights. So is that what, 78, 79 single headlights?
I think he just put those in there. I don't know, to be honest with you.
Hey, Pac, what year is this? Oh, yeah, so the year is, I don't know. That's the year it is. I'm sure somebody gonna comment, oh, it's the this, it's the that. I don't know G-Bodies like that, man. I just do the swaps in them. And honestly, man, I got maybe 2 more G-Body swaps that I'm doing. And after that, man, I'm gonna try to get more into this A-Body world just because, I prefer to do these older cars. Oh yeah, QA1 right there, QA1 sway bars. Got the dual electric fans on here. Man, y'all gonna have me out here building a G-Body, man. I would love to build one for me personally, like I like the T-type Regals, but that 88 Monte Carlo, man, 87, 88 Monte Carlo with the T-top, that look good. I wouldn't do an El Camino just because it's like, if I do it, it would have to be a truck, like a daily usage or whatever, so I wouldn't be able to hot rod it the way I want to. I would use it as a work truck. I want to build one that I could play around with and have fun with, man. So it couldn't be an El Camino. It would have to be a Regal or a Monte Carlo, and I would be leaning more so towards the Monte Carlo just because I like the body. But I don't know, that Regal's kind of tough too. But anywho's, man, that's pretty much it, man. Like, subscribe, show love, hit the thumbs down. Only if your ugly ass is a bum. Hating is only love and jealousy at the same time. Get your paper, because I'm going to get mine. The channel might be turning back into a G-Body channel. Ooh-wee. Alright, so this my big bro car right here, man. It's my boy, my dog. True homie right here, man. My boy Ty. This is you guys saw this in the other video with that the 96 Impala that I did, the Black Widow. This was the car that was in the background. It's a 96 9C1 Caprice. I'll leave the link in the description below of this one. So basically he has a 6.0. What does this thing has, man? It's a 6.0. It has LS3 ported heads, I believe. It also has obviously that big ass E4 supercharger on there. Has an LS9 cam. Has the ICT front accessories. That's the supercharger setup right there for the ICT. I think they sell that for like $300, and they said that one right there fixes all your slippage issues on the on the LSAs or whatever, or when you're running an LSA blower. And that's a pretty big pulley, so I don't know how much boost he's going to be running with this setup, but it has a Holley Terminator X system on here, but the Terminator X is coming off because it's actually the wrong one. It's a 58, and this one needs a 24. But yeah, man, this thing right here is cool, man. It has the ABS delete on there, which I have to actually finish right now, and I see the plumbing and all that. It's basically been on pause for a minute. I think it just need to swap out the Terminator X, and this one will be good and ready to go. It'll be good and ready to go. Car been sitting for like I think Ty said 4 years or something like that. It's been sitting for a minute. He bought a Tahoe, put it on ice. It got a 4L80E transmission in here. It got a B&M shifter to match that. He's doing the whole car. He's redoing the whole car. If you guys don't know, those are Bonnie seats. I actually kind of love these over the B-bodies, man. No lie, those seats are comfortable. Those seats are very comfortable. I call them fat friendly. But he has the Impala seats back there right now currently. And this right here has a hood loofers on here. Loofers, whatever the hell you call them. Got the B&M floor shifter in this one as well. Or this one actually is a Hurst shifter. Where's the keys in here? Well, it has a Dakota dash in there. I was trying to show you guys that, but I can't. Battery seems like it's dead. Has a 6.2. Let's see what this thing is. Ugh. Okay. Careful, you don't want to break the hood. Okay. There you go, Mike. Don't want to hit the pipe. All right, we good. So, this one right here has a 6.2 LSA. Okay, it has a 6.2 block. It has a LS9 cam. And it has this beautiful E4 supercharger. Also being ran off the Terminator X system. And this the car right here that made 432 horsepower to the tire. Keeping it safe, obviously. He has the transmission rebuilt now. Got the dry shaft done. He also has the rear dry shaft done. So he's gonna take it back and get it re-dynoed. I'm sure he can easily get 600 to the tire out of this setup. Like for sure he gets 600. This one right here, another IROC. This one has a 5.3. As you guys can tell, this one has a 5.3. Let's see if I can show you guys what an LSA supercharger set up in it. Man, can I see it? Damn. All right. So this one has a 5.3. There we go. This one has a 5.3 with an LSA supercharger in this one as well. And obviously it's using adapters. So 5.3 with the adapters. It has the Kong 2650 supercharger on there. This car made 430 horsepower to the 430 rear wheel horsepower in second gear. And I think they said it was on like 12 pound of boost, but the belt kept slipping. So this one has to go back. They want to stretch it out, see what kind of power they can get up out of this one as well. So that's why I said I know this 5.3 with the LSA and this 6.2 with the LSA made the same exact power. So obviously this one is going to make way more than this one. They just tuned this one to be safe. So I don't know, man. He got a lot of whips back here, man. He's putting them together slowly but surely. I don't want to break this. There we go. There we go. It looks super cool. My favorite thing about this car is these right here, man. I think this is the dopest thing ever. Check this out. Goes just like that. Don't that look good? You want to talk about keeping the car cool. Now that's cool right there, man. So, and you kind of see right through it, see the blower through it. Pretty dope. So, this car, he basically doing everything top to bottom, front to back to this one too. One car at a time though, man. If you haven't done so already, like I said, please like, subscribe, show love. Hit the thumbs down only if your ugly ass is a bum. Hating is only love and jealousy at the same time. Get your paper, cause you know I'm gonna get mine. Was over here in the yard just looking around. This is a 5.3. This one is a 58 though. 50. This is a newer 5.3. Got the 799 heads on here, and this one got a blower as well. Remember the one outside has a 245. This one has a 240 on it. So this one gonna be this pulley is a little bit smaller. It's gonna be making some nice power, man. So I don't know what this one is going in. So they got a lot of projects back here. Got the 69 Camaro, got the Impala. He got the 62 Impala, the 69 Camaro, got the Cutlass, got a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna ask him what this one going in. He got the CTSV lid on this one.